Jason's Academy, Social Science, Class 6. Politics Lesson 4, Local Governance Bodies in Urban Areas. Hello students, today we are going to start Political Lesson 4, Local Governing Bodies of Urban Areas. Let's first see about what is the Municipal Corporation. Municipal corporation are local level governments in India. It's also called as Mahanagarpalika, Nagarpalika, Nagar Nigam, city corporation, etc. A city is administered by a municipal corporation if the population of that city exceeds 1 million. Municipal corporations are largely dependent on the property tax collector for their revenue. The other sources of revenue include water tax, professional tax, drainage tax, etc., and some fixed aid from the state government. Mumbai Municipal Corporation of Mumbai Municipal Corporation is the richest municipal corporation in India. Its budget exceeds than that of some of the smaller states of India. Next topic is that how does municipal corporation work? Based on the population of that particular city, the city of municipal area is divided into certain wards. A representative is chosen for each ward by the people in that ward. A chosen representative of a particular ward is called as councillor or corporator. Corporators are elected for a period of 5 years. Any party winning more than half of the total seats of municipal corporation is the election. The winning party gets to have its mayor in the municipal corporation. A mayor is the ceremonial head while the administrative head is the municipal commissioner. Municipal commissioner is appointed by the state government who is an IAS office. The job of the municipal commissioner is to implement the policies of the municipal corporation and preparation of the budget, whereas the mayor assumed a political role. Next topic is sources of income. The sources of income are mainly two. Taxes that the corporation can levy, like octrons, water tax, property tax on education, etc., and grants from the government. Let's see the functions of municipal corporation. Urban planning, including town planning, regulation of land use and construction of buildings, planning for economic and social development, water supply for domestic, industrial, and commercial purposes, public health, sanitation, conservancy, and solid waste management, fire services, urban forestry, protection of the environment and promotion of ecological aspect, safeguarding the interest of weaker section of society including the handicapped and mentally retarded, slum improvement and upgradation, urban poverty alleviation. Next topic is community protest participation. Under this topic, in most jurisdictions, the proper care of streets and alleys, parks and other public places and the erection and maintenance of public utilities and improvements generally. In this character, the corporation stands for the community in the administration of local affairs wholly beyond the sphere of the public purposes for which its government powers are conferred. Local government bodies for urban areas are called municipalities or municipal corporation. Each city is divided into wards and each ward elects a ward councillor who takes care of the ward. The municipal commissioner is appointed by state government to supervise the working of corporation. Mayor is a member of political party who becomes the head of the corporation. Municipal corporation issues birth and death certificates, provides drinking water and look after civic amenities in city. Here we have completed and covered all the topics of this chapter. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.